Yes, this is 6223 in the Carnival Dream. Here's where we've been storing all our things. Over the bathroom door. Here's the bathroom. The shower. You have the shelving. And then you have shelves on both sides. And then here's the couch that's been converted to a bed for a person. You have the little side tables. And we got these hooks off Amazon, and they really helped out to extend your storage. So we got a few there. There's your little table. And then here's the storage area with the vanity. Have a little nook there. There's the TV. And then here is the closet space. We have 3 closets. With the cubbies. There's storage on top. And then storage there. That was the mirror. And then here's the balcony. Seat there and the table, and then a seat there. Here's the view from this angle, and that is a room tour of cabin 6223 on the Carnival Dream.